This video is going to show you how to tie our cross cells in with our plants. To get started, we click on the Plants tab, and it will show our current library of plants. Now, this demo account only has 7. You'll most likely have somewhere between 600 to 3,000 different plants, but no matter the number, the process is still the same. The one thing that you want to keep into account as you're tying in the cross cells is that you want to do a larger pool of plants first before you work your way into smaller subsets, whether that's trees or shrubs or something like roses. And we're going to go through those examples today. So to get started with all of our plants, we want to go over here to the Assign Cross Cells and click on that tab. And that's going to open up this window that shows us all the products currently in our system. We can browse those based off of brand. We can type in the name, or we can just browse page by page of all the different products. For this example, we know what we want to tie in. So we're going to start with the premium bedding plant food. And once we find that product, we select the box. And now we're ready for our next product, which is a root stimulant. Select that box. And you can do this for as many products as you want to add into your plants. Once you're done, you click Confirm. And then the system asks you, are you sure? Click Yes. In the bottom right, it initiates this process. Once it's done, you will have a green check mark showing you that it's completed. So that's how you tie in cross cells to all your plants. If you want to do a subset of plants, that's when you want to go over here to your display columns to filter the data to best tie in your products and plants. And so in this example, I want to just clean this up to make it clean and simple. So we're going to remove brand, we're going to remove active, and you do this by clicking on that trash can just to get rid of them in the display column. And then I want to add in Latin name. And you can sort these based off of the arrows, moving them into the order of preference. You can do this for any of these categories down here, and you can manipulate them into any visibility that you'd like. Once you're done, you click the display columns again to close it, and now the categories are shown. And so for today, what we want to do is the next step is to just tie in products to all of our shrubs. So I'm going to go over here to categories, click on shrubs. We have 3 plants. I'm going to assign my cross cells. In this example, I'm going to do an all-purpose fertilizer as the only product. Click Confirm. Are you sure? Yes. Now that's done. I just replaced those previously 2 tied in products with this one all-purpose fertilizer for all of my shrubs. Now if I want to do something specific to my roses, which those may be shrubs, they also may be vines, what I might do is go over here and just turn categories back to any, and then type in the name Rosa in the scientific name. So anything that has Rosa in the scientific or the Latin name will show up. In this case, it also has Salvia. And so to filter this even further, we type in Rose in the common name. And so now it only shows plants that have Rose in the common name, Rosa in the Latin name, and now we can assign our cross cells. So we go over to a cross cells, and we want to tie in a rose and flower food with systemic. And if that's the only product that we want to tie in, then we click Confirm. If we want to add more, we can do more products as well. But once you're done, click Confirm. Are you sure? Yes. And now we just assigned those products to roses. That's how you assign cross cells to all your plants or to categories like a shrub or a tree or perennials, or even down to a type of plant like your roses.